Hello, hi, good evening.
Hi, hello.
Welcome to my class. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes, I can hear you
That's
clearly.
great. Is this Chiho?
Yes,
Nice,
I'm Jiho.
nice to meet you today,
Nice to meet you.
Shiho-san.
Are you Eric, right?
Yes. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Good to hear that. Good. Thanks for
Good.
asking. Yeah. Pretty good. Yeah, I can't complain. Yes. Are you in Japan? Right? Is that right?
No, I'm living in Germany.
Ah, but you're Japanese.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Wow. The other day, I had a student who's a Japanese as well, and he is in Canada.
Canada. Oh,
Yeah. Wow. So how is it going there in Germany? Yeah.
yeah.
Is it safe now? Is it okay with the coronavirus?
Yeah. It's getting better.
Wow, that's good to hear.
Mhm.
That's nice. Okay. All right. So I can see here you chose grammar middle 8. Is that right?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. So today's lesson is number 8, and the title is We Used to Hang Out Together. Please read the title.
We used to hang out together.
Okay. Also, please check today's goal.
To be able to talk about actions you often did in the past but no longer do.
No longer do. That's right. All right. So let's move on to today's phrases. Please repeat after me twice. Okay. All right. So we used to hang out together, but we don't anymore.
We used to hang out together, but we don't anymore.
Okay. Yes. One more time. We used to hang out together, but we don't anymore.
We used to hang out together, but we don't anymore. So, yeah.
Yes. Very good. So now let's move to words and expressions. Please check the directions here.
Listen and repeat after your teacher.
Okay, so let's listen to the audio of US pronunciation, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's have the first one. Here's the first phrase.
What are you up to?
All right, please repeat.
What are you up to?
That's right. It means, what are you doing? Okay, it's the same
Mhm.
way in asking, what are you doing? What are you up to? Okay, so please read the sentence below, sample sentence.
What are you up to?
Yeah, it's the same. Okay, let's move to the next one.
Cold feet.
Cold feet.
Yes, it means to suddenly become too frightened to do something you had planned to do, especially something important such as getting married. Oh, cold feet. Okay, please read a sample sentence.
Are you getting cold feet?
Oh, so cold feet is you're frightened, right? Frightened to do something. Okay, let's have the next one.
Hang out.
Hang out.
Okay, it means to spend a lot of time in a place or with someone. Okay, please read the sample sentence.
We used to hang out together.
Mhm. All right, then the next.
Crack jokes.
Clock jokes.
Yes, it means just to tell jokes. Okay, all right, please read the sample sentence.
We used to clock jokes.
Yes, and the last one.
Definitely.
Definitely.
Definitely. Okay, it means without doubt. Okay, please read the last sentence.
Life is definitely not easy.
That is true. Not easy. Many trials. Yeah, many challenges, right? Very true. Okay. Oh, we are done with words and phrases. Do you have any questions so far?
No, I don't.
Okay, everything is clear. So let's move on to the short
Yes.
conversation. Please check the
Mhm.
directions.
This is the following conversation with your teacher.
All right, so we'll do a role play here, but first, let's listen to the audio of the conversation, okay?
Okay.
hmm Things have changed, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, of course. Okay, so now let's do the role play. Okay, so I'll be David, you'll be Aiden, all right? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let me first read the situation. So, Aiden and David are talking about the good old days. Okay, what are you up to, big man?
Not much. I'm just thinking about life.
Oh, are you getting cold feet already?
Nah, it's not like that, but many things have changed, you know.
Of course they have. What's on your mind?
Well, we used to hang out together, watch sports, and crack jokes.
That's true. We don't really do all these things anymore.
And Emery used to stay at the lab late at night, but she doesn't anymore either.
Well, she cares about you, and you guys live together now.
You are right, I just feel like we used to be able to do more things together, but we can't anymore.
Yeah, I know the feeling. Life is definitely not easy, but life always goes on. All right. Wow, I like that. Very good. Yes, let's switch the roles. You're very good as well. I like your voice. Yeah. Okay. All right. Wow, that's perfect. Now let's have some exercises. Please check the directions here also.
Okay? People are talking about the good old days. Make sentence with used to and anymore.
Okay, so you're going to use used to and anymore, right? So,
Okay.
okay, we have an example here, like in this picture. So, the Andersons argued in the past. Okay, so it's gonna be the answer. The Andersons used to argue, but they don't anymore. Okay, so we have used to and then anymore, right? So that's how you're
Okay.
going to answer. Okay, so let's continue. Mr. and Mrs. Adams lived in a small house in the past. So, how will you answer this?
Mr. and Mrs. Adams used to live in a small house, but they don't anymore.
Wow, that's perfect. Very good. Okay. Yes, that's correct. Okay, next, Lisa and Mark used a chamber pot in the past.
What's a chamber pot?
It's like a container wherein you pee, you urinate there.
Ah, for kids?
Yes, like plastic container, something like that. Or it could be not plastic, it could be metal, something metal.
For kids? For
Um,
children?
Not only for kids, but even adults are using it sometimes. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes.
Lisa and Mark used to use a chamber pot,
Yeah,
but they don't anymore.
that's right. Okay.
They don't anymore.
Yeah, they don't anymore. Well, you know why adult is using it? Because, for example, their CR or bathroom is far from their bedroom. Probably they don't have CR in their bedroom. So, because you are sleeping at night, you don't want to walk to the CR to go to the CR. You just use the chamber pot.
Oh.